All right, Rain. So I have these flowers over here. Come look at the flowers, please. Can you see the flowers?
Yeah.
Okay, I have these flowers, and I need to put them over here in the bed over here. Okay, the flower bed. Where do you think they should go? I need your help.
I want it to be right in the middle.
Okay, right in the middle. Okay, point to it. Point to each spot that you want me to put a flower, and I'll make sure I put it there. Okay.
I want to see.
Okay. Okay, up there. Okay, I was thinking more so like in the grass area. Like find an area in the grass, like right here maybe. That could be a spot, like over here. You know where the other flowers are? That's what I was thinking.
No, I don't know where the other flowers.
Okay, just point. Point to the different areas, and I'll be sure to listen.
Right here.
Okay, right here. Okay, anywhere else?
I want to park it right here.
Well, no, not in this area. This is the grass. Like you got to stay behind the rocks over there. You see the rocks? Yeah, right there. You got to stay in that area. You want to help me out too, man? Yeah. Okay. Where? Any other places, Rain?
I would say right here, like a decent.
Right here? Rain, this is not the area that I was thinking. Yeah. What about over here? Anywhere over here you think I should put some flowers? Like over here. This is what I'm thinking about over here. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses Green Thumb Edition. Yes, and as y'all have already seen, I have been given directions, marching orders, which I probably could not keep because she was pretty scattered in what she wanted me to do. So at any rate, I'm going to take into mind what she said and do what I think she meant, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and plant some flowers into the raised garden bed because it's time to get these bad boys from here to there, because like I said, I am here to improve the flower bed. I'm not just talking what I'm talking about, but there's actions that's gonna follow the words that are coming out of my mouth, okay? And so I am so excited to get it to where it needs to be, and I'm gonna start off with flowers, and I'm gonna plant some now, and I'm gonna look at it, and we gonna decide if I need to add some more. And if I need to add some more, I will do what? Add some more. And then after I add everything that I need, then I'm gonna go ahead and put some like liner down just to make sure the weeds don't come up, add the wood chips, and we will have a masterpiece, ladies and gentlemen. And so I am so excited, as you can see, to get this party going, because it's actually going to rain today, as it's been raining every day here in Tampa, Florida. And they're actually talking about a heavy storm. So for those who are in the Florida area, the East Coast, I pray that you all are safe. I pray that no storm will damage anything that you possess, have, or any family that you even know within the Florida Keys, the Florida area, or any area within the eye of the storm and things like that. We're going to pray against it. We're going to speak against it. And we're going to know the things that we say will ultimately come to pass, okay? That was my PSA. That's what I believe. That is what I had to say. And so I had to let you know. All right? So I still have the sun shining on me, as you can see. So Riley, popping off at my melanin and popping off this new shirt, ladies and gentlemen. New merch alert attached to gardening, okay? Y'all see the shirt? Okay. You need to go to the link below so that you can find your merch to let the people know how attached to gardening that you, ladies and gentlemen, are, okay? All right, let's let the world know. We here to have fun. We Green Thumb people, Green Thumb family. I'm gonna have another shirt that say Green Thumb family. I think that's necessary too. Okay, but in the meantime, go ahead and cop that attached to gardening shirt, okay? Link will be below. Find it, long sleeve, short sleeve, it's up to you, okay? Your pick is your wish, okay? Uh-oh, this sounds like it's trying to go. So let me go ahead and do what I need to do, which is go ahead and pull these weeds off first, and then I'm gonna plant, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and lay everything out before I put it in the ground just to make sure it's what I want it to be, okay? And then after that, weeds, plant, done, all right? And I'm gonna have to do some stuff in the back. Got some ideas, all right? Let me hurry up. Y'all hear the thunder? I don't know if you did, but I heard it. And I'm gonna go ahead and act like I did hear it. I'm gonna respect, okay? Uh-oh, sun's moving, let's work. right, ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, your boy is done. Now, I must say that was record timing for me planting. I planted 7 plants in that amount of time. Now, I don't know if it was like, let me hurry up because it was like lightning and thundering, or if it was the shirt, okay? If it was the shirt attached to gardening that had helped me out to get the job done, I don't know which one it was. I don't know. I'm leaning towards the shirt because the shirt being pink just gives me superpowers, okay? Because we all know women have superpowers. They're able to do things that most men can't do, okay? Like bear chow. Let's just say #1. Anyway, I love y'all, beautiful people. Man, you see it's coming together. Let me know in the comment section below if I should add any more plants to it. Now, I feel like there's like a missing gap space like right here. So I'm gonna just show you my gaps, okay? Clearly, there's a gap over there, like behind the croton. I feel like there's a gap that can be supplemented with something. What is that something? Let me know, because obviously I don't know. And then I have a croton right there. I think I could put some small little plants, some colorful things in there. And then I have that little gap space back there. I feel like something can go in there. Like, you know, I'm not trying to... Now, let me just say this. I don't want it to be busy and cluttered. I do want it to be functional, nice, and presentable, okay? Those are the words that I want people to say when they see my flower bed. Functional, nice, and presentable. I feel like there's something that can go right here. What is that something? I don't know. I'm looking forward to you. Of course, if not mulch, whatever flower you think of. And I have that croton there, ladies and gentlemen. So, you know, let me know. Let me know. This is another angle. Okay. And I'm gonna give you that front yard shot. See, this is my Parisian shield. Like, I'm thinking about pulling it up because it's not growing in a manner in which it's presentable to me. So I'm thinking about just pulling it up, finding something new, putting it down, okay? So let me know if you think that's a good thought, Ricky. I'm gonna go ahead and move those. I was trying to plant and grow some marigolds right there, but clearly nothing grew but weeds. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those bad boys up because that is unattractive and unnecessary at the same time. And they know I ain't got time for that, okay? I'm trying to have a presentable front yard. Y'all see, I'm working. I'm diligently working, okay? I'm trying to do the grass, trying to figure that out. That's not working to my liking. So I'm like, bump it. Let me do something I can't control. And right now, that's a flower bed. I could do something about it. As you can see, I took another step, okay? I'm gonna say I took a leap today. If you agree, put a thumbs up. Like this video if you think I took a leap today in planting those 7 plants, okay? So, you know, the flower bed is coming along. I see the people talking about reds, but, you know, with all these other reds in the plants, I don't know if I should do like a brown or something. Like, I don't know. I think brown will make things pop in more of a manner than the red may distract, okay? So, again, I'm here for it. Let me know. Obviously, I don't have the answer. That's why I'm asking you. But nonetheless, what we come together with is what we will do, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I'm all about presentation. I want things to be presentable and functional. So when somebody comes and move in, because we will not live here forever, but when the next person does, I want them to enjoy what they move into because everything is there, okay? A fresh yard, a nice flower bed, garden in the backyard, yielding vegetables, herbs, all those good things that is what makes the body go, okay? And then have something presentable that they pull up to. So with that being said, I love you all. I thank you. Go get the shirt attached to gardening. Obviously, I have it in pink. I have it in green. Of course, Green Thumb family. I got it in black. I have it in the color that you would desire. So feel free. Click around. Find something. Give something. Do it. Okay? Do it. Hit your videos and your shirts. Let's all unite. All those who are attached to gardening. All those who love gardening. That's attached with those all around the world. And we will have fun with those that we come in contact with. All right, beautiful people. I love you. I thank you. I adore you. I adore you because you are helping me succeed, okay? And keep on subscribing. Keep on telling people because our goal of 10K subscribers by the end of the summer can take place with your assistance, with your help, with your word of mouth. My breath smells good, so don't worry. It didn't break the screen, okay? I love y'all. I keep saying it because I mean it. I adore you. I thank you. And I'll see you next time. All right?